Hey, watcha folks, and welcome to another 3-Minute Thursday here on Dazzle Rebel Rides. Today I'm taking a look at a recent Freedom of Information request which shows a total of 10,833 new drivers lost their licence in 2017. Of these banned, 533 lost their licence because they were caught using a mobile phone whilst driving. This is an increase of 356% on 2016 and doesn't include the 447 drivers charged with driving without due care and attention, a charge that the police may also use when they catch drivers using their mobile phone while driving. The increase in drivers being banned is mostly due to harsher penalties for being caught on the blower while in charge of a vehicle. These penalties mean that drivers are handed a minimum £200 fine plus 6 penalty points on their licence. And as new drivers are still under a probationary period, 6 points is enough to disqualify them from driving. Once disqualified, drivers have to retake a full driving test, and depending on the circumstances, this can also be extended to try and ensure that the disqualified driver has learned from their mistakes. So what are your thoughts on these statistics? Does it prove that measures deployed last year to crack down on dangerous driving are working? Or maybe it doesn't go far enough. Maybe, just maybe, you think it's an attack on civil liberties, even though driving is a skill and not a right. Let me know in the comments. Well, that has been 3-Minute Thursday. This has been Dazzle Rebel Rides. I've been Dazzle Rebel and you've been fantastic by watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share the link anywhere you damn well like. And remember, for more like this, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe and ding that notification bell or you might miss a video. I'll catch you next time.